What's up, everybody? Welcome to SHARKNOMZ, where we eat stuff, sometimes strange and sometimes appetizing, and then we tell you about it. What do we have for this episode?
Today is sweet and fiery fruit by the foot.
Oh, listen, we've done several episodes of this now, and by far, fruit roll-ups would be my favorite thing we've done. But spicy fruit roll-ups? What?
Yeah, I'm not into this at all.
This is just classic, if it isn't broke, don't fix it. I mean, what? Why do you... It says sweet and fiery. So, like, I don't know.
I'm concerned about the flavors. Because, like, it's like spicy watermelon and, like, peach.
I didn't even look at that. So is there other flavors of sweet and fiery fruit by the foot?
Oh, God, what if there is? What if there's, like, a green apple?
All right.
So we gotta try one of each flavor, don't we?
There's multiple flavors?
Yeah, there's watermelon and there's peach.
How do they look? I think they're both all watermelon and peach. They all look the exact same.
Ooh,
I don't know. If this is great, I'm eating every one of them, so...
Alright.
All right,
oh,
smell
here
test.
it is. This is spicy watermelon.
Well, I don't know what I got. We're just going to do it. Open it up.
Well, let me get a fiery peach.
Why are they different if the packages are the exact same?
They're written right here on the side.
Fruit roll-ups. You're messing up. Alright, open it up. Okay, it smells like a fruit roll-up. I don't smell anything spicy.
It smells like a peach. I like this better.
Whoa, yeah, this is strong. It smells like I just cut a peach
like
open.
A peach.
Oh, it smells like I just cut a peach open. That's not a euphemism. Alright, I'll do peach first. It smells okay. I'm just worried about this being hot.
I don't think it's gonna be hot.
Mean, the only hot candy I can think of are those,
like hot tamales?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Alright, you gotta do it right. Just put it in there. Get it in there. Eat it. Don't get
the whole thing?
most of it. It's not hot yet. Okay, it's hot. It's hot now. It's actually hot. Is it hot? It's hot.
No.
I mean, it's not killing me.
Ooh, after flavor. Yeah. Whoa. I don't know how to...
It's getting hotter. I mean,
yeah.
I'm not...
I don't know how I feel about that.
You know how Taco Bell's fire sauce is just on the edge? Like, it's hot and you'll feel it, but you don't go just die. Like, it doesn't kill you. It's hot. Like, if you don't like hot stuff, this is going to be right on the line.
I wonder if that's hotter than this one, because this one just has like a little zip to it.
I don't know. Let's open some more. You get the peach one. Here's a peach.
Okay.
Give me your strawberry one.
Here.
Oh, I'll just eat the rest of yours? Okay.
There you go.
How are you going to eat a fruit roll and not eat it all?
Sanitary issues.
Right. Here we go. Sanitary issues.
So peachy.
It is. This smells like a fruit roll-up should. It tastes like a fruit roll-up right now.
Ew, I don't like this. It's like a habanero.
It's very strong. This one's not as hot as that one.
Like chili powder in it.
I mean, it's gotta be what it is.
Yeah.
This one's not as hot.
No.
Okay. If you go get the spicy fruit roll-ups, this is so dumb. If you get the spicy fruit roll-ups, just don't eat the peach ones. I mean, the strawberry ones just, they taste, I mean, I'm gonna have to do this again later to get a, like, non-biased opinion because I've still got a lot of peach in my mouth. Also not a euphemism. Oh, God. Okay, this is probably still the best thing we've tried so far on this show.
You think so? I really liked the Sour Patch Kids cereal. That was really good. That was probably my favorite.
Well. Alright, I say 4 out of 5 stars.
I'm giving it a generous 2.
A generous 2 would be the Pop Rock cookies. You like the Pop Rock cookies better than...
But I would give the Pop Rock cookies a 1. Like, those were good.
At the end of the day, it's still fruit roll-up, so...
I guess, yeah, but...
They're just the best thing ever.
Don't broke, don't fix it.
Guys, thanks for watching. If you liked what you saw, please hit that subscribe button so that you know when the videos come. And you can come back and hang out with us next time. Peace out, guys.
Hey, I'm a shark with a top hat, and I think you should subscribe. Go ahead, hit the button. I'll wait. Okay, bye.